Good morning, everyone. I am Kumari Sreeja, currently pursuing Diploma in Mining in Kalinga University. Recently, we have attended a program called Advanced Surveying Techniques Total Station, which was of 2 days. There, we learned many methods of leveling, how to measure angles, and about a machinery called total station. Before, I didn't know about total station, which is used in surveying and all. And as I am from field of mining, so it is very helpful for me in that field. If I get position for mine surveyor, then it will be very helpful for me to know how to operate total station. It was a great experience for me to know how to operate it and to learn many things about it, how to calculate it, and many others. At last, I would like to thank Kalinga University for giving me this opportunity.